Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader, and this is completely free, completely legal. So as you can see right here, you just search up download Adobe Acrobat, then you come to this website, right? You just click on this link, and here is the exact URL, get.adobe.com/reader. Come here, click on download Acrobat Reader, okay, and then your installation will begin. So then you just click on this installer right here, and it will open up and the installation will begin, and then you just go ahead and install. So as you can see, I currently have Adobe Acrobat already installed, but if you already have it, you can just uninstall and continue. Maybe you don't want the older versions. Just complete the installation process, and then you can get Adobe Acrobat. Let me show you that I have the app right here. I successfully installed it for free. There you go, as you can see. And here is our file location as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.